called as ellipse. This fixed point is called as focus. This fixed line is called as directrix. One more equation, definition of ellipse we saw, that ellipse is the path of a moving point which moves in such a way that its sum of distances from two fixed points always remains constants. PS1 plus PS2 is always a constant. And in that definition, we took the value of this constant as 2a. Keep remember this value 2a. What is a? That is same what we discussed in our first case. Right, in this manner if we draw. Now, after discussing the definitions of ellipse, we discussed its particular cases. Two cases we discussed. First case was somewhat like this. Origin was center, A was A0 and A dash was minus A0. These were called as vertices. B coordinates were 0, B. B dash coordinates were 0, minus B. Focus was how much? AE, 0. S dash, another focus. It has two foci. Was minus AE, 0. Right? Equation. What was equation in this case? X square upon A square plus Y square upon B square equal to 1. And note that A is greater than B. So here, very important, that how to decide that which case is this. Just looking at the equation, you have to see whether X square upon A square, then that A you find and B you find, and check whether A is bigger or B is bigger. If A is bigger than B, then it will be a first case. Note that equations we have written same in both the cases. So first task will be this only, that to determine that which case it is. Okay. Focus and vertices coordinates already we have written. Length of major axis, how much here? It is 2a. And minor axis similarly it was 2b. Then one relation in ABE we found, that was B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. Length of latus rectum. How much was length of latus rectum, students?
2b by...
Yes, 2b square upon A. 2b square upon A. Keep remember the formula. Latus rectum is the chord which is perpendicular to the axis of ellipse and passes through focus. That is latus rectum, right? Center was origin 0, 0. And similarly, second case we discussed. Second case was simply 90-degree rotation of this case. It was like this. A was A0, B, A dash was minus A0, but these are not vertices. In this case, vertices were B 0, B and B dash 0, minus B were the vertices. Center, origin, equation same, x square upon A square plus Y square upon B square equal to 1. Okay. Its focus lie here. This is say first focus S1, coordinates was 0, BE. Second focus S2, coordinates was 0, minus BE. Yes, directrix is remaining. This one directrix lies here in this case and another directrix lies here. Can someone tell me in the first case what was the equation of directrices? Anyone of you?
Plus minus A upon E.
Left side भी बताना है. Left
Sir,
side.
A upon E.
Plus minus A upon E.
वो length नहीं है. Length.
X is equals to minus A upon E.
Yes, x equal to plus minus A upon E. X equal to बताना जरूरी है. वो शोपीस नहीं है. वो इक्वेशन है. इक्वेशन में लेफ्ट साइड नहीं बताया तो क्या? तो बताना जरूरी है. तो x equals to A upon E and this will be x equal to minus A upon E. Now tell me what should be the directrices equations in second case, students. Tell me what are the directrices equations in this case?
Y is equal to plus minus B upon E.
Bilkul, y equal to b upon e and y equal to minus b upon e. These are the directrices equations. And in this case, this is the equation. And here in this equation, very important that b is greater than a. right? B is greater than A. This is very important. First task to decide which case it is. Then relation in ABE, what was there that in this case?
B square equal to, sorry,
No.
A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square.
Repeat Edwin Joseph.
A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square.
Bilkul. This was the relation between A, B, E. Major axis length will be
2B.
2B. Length of lattice rectum,
2A square divided by B.
2A square divided by B. Right, absolutely. So these all the things were there about these two cases of ellipse. Let us move towards the first question of our exercise 11.3. Aditya Bargurja, will you read question 1? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Please read.
In each of the exercise 1 to 9, find the coordinates of the foci, what is the length of the major axis, the minor axis, the uncertainty and the length of lattice rectum of ellipse.
Okay.
First part, x square upon 36 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1.
Ankit Jangir, which case is this? Ankit Jangir, which case is this? Huh? No response, is it? Sorry? Ayushi Verma, which case is this?
Yes, sir.
Which case is this? Sorry? Baladitya Kamal, which case is this?
Sir, first case.
Kyun? Why first case?
Sir, because A square is greater than B square.
Correct, absolutely correct. Here, compare, and this A square is equal to 36 and B square is equal to 16. So, A is greater than B. So, it means that it is first case. Correct. Immediately imagine its figure in your mind. Its figure would be somewhat like this. Okay. Now, let us find out all the things. Here, A is 6, B is 4. Vertices. What are the vertices coordinates in first case?
So 6, 0 and minus 6, 0.
Absolutely. Plus minus A, 0 is the formula, right? अगर आप भूल गए हैं, तो turn the page and see the figure. ठीक है? Instead of remembering the formula, see the figure. See the figure. Graphic helps us to retain the things in a better manner. Plus minus A, 0, and this will become plus minus 6, 0. Length of major axis and minor axis also we have to find. So length of major axis will become 2A,
12.
will be 12, and minor axis how much?
8.
Will be 2B, which is 2 into 4, 8 units. Then length of lattice rectum. What was the formula for lattice rectum? Dhun?
Yes, sir. 2B square by A.
Bilkul, 2B square upon A. Let us put the value and calculate. This will become 2 into 16, B square is 16, upon A is 6. One thing that when A square is 36, do not take A equal to plus minus 6. This will create confusion only. Take only A equal to 6. Because vertices, finally we are going to take both the cases plus minus 6. So there in the formula, it will come automatically. So here A value, you take positive only. So 2B square upon A is 2 into 16 upon 6 will become 16 by 3 units. और क्या निकालना है मुझे?
Eccentricity.
Eccentricity, I have to find. Focus, I have to find. Focus coordinates are plus minus A, E, 0. So there also eccentricity you need. So let's get eccentricity first. To get eccentricity, I have an equation between A and B and E. What was that, Devanshi? What is the equation in ABE? In first case. Wait, Devanshi, speak up, fatafat. Bhavya Verma, you tell. No response. This is very bad. Some people do not respond. Huh? Sivai, Edwin, Joseph. Yes, Ayushi is telling. Yeah.
E equal to C by A.
हाँ सी, और सी नोटेशन हमने एक चीज के लिए यूज किया है, ए ई के लिए. वन मोर, ए बी ई में एक रिलेशन मैंने लिखा था, व्हाट इज दैट, उसका यूज करके.
A square and minus B square.
A square into 1 minus B is equals to B square.
1 minus B square.
दिस वाला, ठीक है. बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर इंटू 1 माइनस ई स्क्वायर. वन मोर थिंग आई एम सेइंग रिपीटेडली, माय डियर ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, दैट प्लीज do the very basic things, because doing basic things is something that people think that it is so easy, everyone can do it, and many people do not do, and later on they feel confused and frustrated. So all these questions are very basic, please solve with me, aapko maza aayega, joy feel hoga, and respond my two trivial and ordinary questions, तो आपको confidence महसूस होगा. So मुझे निकालनी है वैल्यू ऑफ E, मेरे पास अवेलेबल है B और A. Let us substitute. 16 equals to 36 into 1 minus E square. 1 minus E square is going to be 16 by 36. And यहाँ से आप जैसे चाहें इसको solve करके निकाल लीजिए. E square will be 1 minus 16 upon 36. 36 minus 16 is 20 upon 36. और आप इसको find out कर सकते हैं. 4 से कट कर देता हूँ. E will become root 5 upon 3. Should I take only root 5 upon 3 or plus minus root 5 upon 3, students? कोई जवाब?
So only root 5 upon 3.
क्यों नहीं? माइनस क्यों नहीं लूं? Why not minus should I take? जवाब इसका आंसर.
Sir, it was a ratio of distances.
Yes. Yes. It was E. You should know the very basic meaning of E. Eccentricity is ratio of distance, PS upon PT. So distance are positive. Yes.
Root 20 upon 6.
हाँ, रूट 20 अपॉन 6 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, वो भी सही है, वो 6 कट जाएगा, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. सो दिस इज एसेंट्रिसिटी E we have got. Then foci coordinates we had to write. Foci coordinates were plus minus A E comma 0, and plus minus A was 6 and E is root 5 upon 3 comma 0, plus minus 2 root 5 comma 0. These are foci coordinates, right, students? So this is now. Anything else? अभी कुछ तो बता दिया है. Center, if they are asking, center used to be 0,0 in both the cases, first case, second case. Yes. Towards second question, moving towards second question. Bhumika, will you read second question? Question 2. Bhumika Meena. Kumari Bhumika Meena, are you there? No response. This is bad. This is not a good thing. Very bad it is. Kuldeep Swarnkar. Yes. Will you read second question? What is that?
Yes, sir.
Please.
X square by 4 plus y square by 25.
Y square upon
25 is equals to 1.
Determine which case it is. Kuldeep, बताओ which case it is? अरे ऐसा? No answer. Karthik Raj, are you following? How are you, Karthik?
Sir, second case perpendicular.
Yes, second case, because B is greater than A here. So it is second case. Yes. So second case, you imagine the graph of ellipse is stretched vertically. ठीक है? So know that its coordinates of vertices will be 0, plus minus B. Foci coordinates will be 0, plus minus BE. ठीक है, तो वो आपका ग्राफ अगर आपके माइंड में है तो आप गलती कर ही नहीं सकते कि प्लस माइनस AE, 0 लिख दो फोकस कोऑर्डिनेट्स. ओके, अब जो चीजें हम लिख सकते हैं इजीली, लेट अस राइट वर्टिसेस. व्हाट आर वर्टिसेस कोऑर्डिनेट्स इन सेकंड केस? 0, plus minus B. Is it? So 0, plus minus 5. Then length of major axis. Major axis length is how much, Ravi?
10.
What is the formula for length of major axis, Ravi? बोलो फटाफट आंसर करो, ऐसा नहीं, you are not answering.
2a.
2a, वही वो तो फर्स्ट केस में होती है, this is second case. ध्यान रखना है पूरा. 2b, and 2b is going to be 2 into 5, 10. Then similarly length of minor axis, obviously ये 2b हो गया तो वो 2a होगा, 2a, and this will become 2 into 2, 4 units. Okay. Then what more? We need length of lattice rectum. Huh?
Coordinate of foci.
2, what is that? 2? Length of lattice rectum, Tanmay, क्या होता है? 2a square upon b it is in second case. So 2a square upon b means 2 into 4 upon 5. 8 upon 5 it is. Okay. Then eccentricity रह गई. Eccentricity के लिए I should use that equation. What is that equation in A, B and E? Sumit Tiwari, what is that equation in A, B and E? Sumit, what is that equation in A, B and E? Sumit Tiwari, it is not correct. Keeping your mouth shut, it's not correct. Tanmay Khilar, you answer. What is the equation in A, B and E? Yes, Netra, you tell.
A square equals B square, 1 minus E.
1 minus?
E square.
E square. Let us put the value of A square and B square. This is going to be 4 equals to 25 into 1 minus E square. Solve it. 1 minus E square equal to 4 upon 25. So E square will become E square will become 1 minus 4 upon 25. And this will become 21 upon 25. So E is going to be root 21 upon 5. Eccentricity it is. Then foci coordinates. What are foci coordinates in second case? Satyanarayan? Satyanarayan, answer. Satyanarayan is not answering. Sanvi, what is foci coordinates? Yaar, aap log answer nahi karte, it will not be nice thing. Sanvi Anand, what are foci coordinates in second case? You can turn the page and you can tell. It's so easy. Nilesh will answer. What are focus coordinates in second case?
So,
Yes.
sir, 0, comma root 21.
Ayushi. नहीं, formula. Ayushi. Formula बताइए.
सर 0, plus minus BE.
0, plus minus BE. Yes. क्या नाम? आपका नाम? मैं देखा नहीं, कौन बोला? What's your name?
सर सानवी.
हाँ, सानवी. हाँ. Yes. 0, plus minus B. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि turning the page and answering is not at all a difficult task. But वो जज्बा भी तो हो. आप में वो इच्छा ही नहीं है, आपकी सारी इच्छाएं मर चुकी हैं, तो इतना पेशेंस, इतना धैर्य भी ठीक नहीं कि आपको आंसर पता है and then also you are not answering. You should answer. You should participate in the interaction. It's a fun. So 0, plus minus BE. B, what is B? B is 5. E I have got here, root 21 upon 5. And it becomes 0, plus minus root 21. This is, directrices equations. Did they ask directrices equation also or not? No, they didn't ask directrices equation. But if you want, you can write it. Our directrices equations are y equal to plus minus b upon e in second case. So if you want, you can find. No issue. Let us move ahead. some more questions. Let us solve of similar type. Moving towards third question. Kushagra Vaishnav, will you read question 3? Kushagra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kushagra.
X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equals to 1.
X square upon 16 plus y square upon 9.
Equals to 1.
Which case it is?
First case.
First case it is, yes. Because a square is 16 and b square equal to 9. So a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. A is greater than b it is. Okay. So tell me, अभी मैं हम लोगों से पूछता हूँ. Gaurav Sharma, what are vertices? Formula? Length of major axis formula? Length of minor axis formula? In first case. Gaurav, are you there? Gaurav Sharma is not active. Tanuj Mali. Yes, Tanuj. Answer. What are vertices? What are major axis? What is minor axis formula? No response from Tanuj's side. Yogit Sharma. Yogit. No response. Deepal. No response.
0, plus minus a.
क्या?
Vertices.
Repeat. See, this is first case. The ellipse curve will be like this. Vertices are lying on x-axis. Yes, Deepal. What are vertices coordinates?
0, plus minus a.
No, Deepal. It cannot be 0, plus minus a because the vertices are lying on x-axis. X-axis means the coordinates must be something
Plus
comma
minus
0. Plus minus a comma 0. है ना? Deepal. Vertices are plus minus a comma 0. So this is going to be plus minus 4 comma 0. Length of major axis. What is that? Deepal. Major axis and minor axis. What are the formula? It means, please.
2a.
क्या? 2a क्या?
Major axis.
Major axis is 2a and minor axis?
2b.
तो फाइनल आंसर मेजर एक्सिस का क्या हो गया? बोलो एक्टिव रखना है एकदम अपने आप को. सारी वैल्यूज लिखी हुई हैं बोर्ड पे and you should put the values and you should answer. It means you are not solving. You must solve in your notebook. Otherwise आपका momentum है वो अभी तक gain हो चुका होता. Yes, Deepal, what is the answer of major axis? 2a and a is 4. What is major axis value? Deepal?
8.
8 units. And similarly, minor axis will be? Bolo.
6.
6 units. Solve karo notebook mein, my dear. I can feel from the response, from the vibrations I am receiving from all of you. I can feel ki kiske understanding ka kya level chal raha hai. Please write in your notebook. That is super important. Yes. Eccentricity. To get the eccentricity, there is one equation which we use. Yasmin, what is the equation among A, B and E? Sheikh Yasmin, reply. What is the equation in A, B and E? Yasmin is not replying. Shreya Sinha, what is the relation in A, B and E? Shreya, there is no Shreya. Yes. Yes, Sumit, you answer. Sumit.
A square equal to B square whole bracket 1 minus E square.
My dear Sumit, first case it is. First case में आपने थोड़ी सी error कर दी. Check and repeat. Sumit. Gauravi, you answer. What's the relation in A, B and
So
E?
b square is equal to a square into 1 minus b square.
Okay, this is, है ना Sumit? Let me put the value. 9 equals to 16 into 1 minus e square. So e square 1 minus e square is 9 upon 16. And e square will be 16 minus 9 upon 16. So e will be root 7 upon 4. This is e. So foci coordinates, what should be? Foci coordinates, Gauravi?
Plus minus root 7 up comma 0.
Plus minus a into e. A is 4 root 7 by 4. Yes, root 7 comma 0. Plus minus root 7 comma 0. This is correct. LR, length of lattice rectum. Jyoti Meena, what is that? In first case, length of lattice rectum. Jyoti, answer. Jyoti, answer. What is the formula for length of lattice rectum in first case? Bolo, bolo.
B square upon A.
Jyoti, correctly you answer. I could not hear you properly.
B square.
No. No, you missed 2, I think. Tanuj Mali, Yogit Sharma, what is the answer for length of lattice rectum? No, no response. Satyanarayan, what is the value of length of lattice rectum? Satyanarayan Bairwa, if you don't respond, I will assume that you are not present here.
Yes, sir.
Satyanarayan, what is the value of length of lattice rectum in first case?
सर मैं थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन हुआ था इसलिए
तो गुनाहों को अभी करेक्ट कर लो. You take your
आप
book.
वापस समझा दीजिएगा.
You take the book and turn the pages and see. है ना? क्या रे? Length of lattice rectum. The formula is, students. What is the
2b square upon a.
2b square. Jyoti didn't say 2, I think. 2b square upon a. This is the formula. Why this is super easy thing and people are not responding? Because they may not be following my words exactly. I am repeatedly saying that please write with me. Please write in notebook. Please take your textbook with you. Please keep writing with me. Keep solving with me. Then you will feel joy. Otherwise life is so boring. अगर आप simply इसका देखने मात्र से मैथ्स में मजा नहीं आएगा. Okay? And this is going to be 2b square. How much was? Tell someone. मैंने clear कर दिया. B square is 9 upon 4. 9 by 2 units. The length of lattice rectum. Correct? This is. So this was question number perhaps 3rd. Let us see. All are up to 9th. Question are of similar nature. Let us see question number 7th. Please read Harshit Yadav. What is 7th question? Harshit Yadav, are you there? There is no Harshit Yadav seems. Yes, Dhun Chhabda. What is 7th question?
Yes, sir.
What is 7th question?
36x square plus 4y square equal to 144.
Can you repeat?
36x square plus 4y square equal to 144.
144. So, क्या करें धुन इसमें सबसे पहले? What should be done?
Sir, divide both the sides by 144.
Right. Because in our standard equation in the right hand side 1 it is. So make 1 by dividing by 144 from both the sides. So this is going to be like this. 144 upon 144 will be 1. This is how much? 36 2s are 72. 72 2s are 144. 4 times. X square upon 4 I think it will be. Plus this is how much? Y square upon?
36.
36. 72 upon 2. 36 equals to 1. So A square equals to 4. B square equals to 36. Determine the case. Ravi, which case is this? Ravi.
First.
Eh? Ravi. Which case?
Second.
second case it is, because B is greater than A. So here itself I am writing in bracket second case. So second case में मुझे बताओ सारे फॉर्मूले. Ayavan, what are the vertices in second case? Ayavan, are you there? Ayavan is not there. Aditya Bargujar, what is the formula for vertices in first case?
Sir, plus minus a comma 0.
So the answer will be 2, 0. Major axis क्या होती है? Minor axis क्या होती है? First case
2
में.
major axis 2 है, minor axis 2b.
So 2b means 2 into 6, 12 units. Okay, correct. और हाँ बोलिए.
So but it is second case.
अयो second.
Yes, sir.
किसने आदित्य ने मुझे बताया. आदित्य, I believed you. You told me wrong. It is second case. ओए आदित्य.
Sorry, sir.
वो second case में क्या होता है फॉर्मूला? वर्टिसेस का. बोलो.
Plus minus b comma 0.
Y-axis coordinates 0, plus minus
0,
plus minus b. 0, plus minus b, and it will be 0, plus minus 6. Thick. Then major axis. Aditya, what is major axis length in second case? Second case.
2b.
2b. It is major axis is 2b, and the answer will be 2 into 6. 2 into 6 means 12 units, and minor axis will be 2a. So 2 into 2, 4 units. This is, yes. What is the relation in ABE? Dhananjay Lohami, are you listening me? Dhananjay or Bhavya? What is that relation in ABE? They are total absent. Bhavya, yes. Reply. Answer. What is the relation in A, B, and E? Turn the pages and reply. See and reply. Bhavya Verma's answers are, he is not answering. Let me ask someone else, जिसको अभी तक मैंने नहीं पूछा है. Saloni Dhakar, what is the relation in A, B, and E? Saloni Dhakar.
Yes, sir.
Saloni, what is the relation in A, B, and E in this case?
सर हम लोग इसमें एक और मेथड से कर सकते हैं. पहले हम C निकालेंगे और इटर्निटी इक्वल टू C अपॉन A.
हाँ तो C कैसे निकालेंगे?
C अंडर रूट A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर.
अंडर रूट
A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर.
हाँ, तो कितना होगा? चलो आपके मेथड से करते हैं. तो
C इक्वल्स टू 4 रूट 2.
नहीं, A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर.
यस सर.
तो ये तो कुछ नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. हाँ
36 माइनस.
हाँ, तो अब जो नोटेशन है आपका A स्क्वायर का वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, वो आप 36 ले रहे हो. तो माय डियर वंस, some authors in some books, for A square different notation in the second case equation is taken x square upon B square plus y square upon A square equal to 1. So in some books different notation is used. So I request you all that please use this notation only, one notation only, so that you should not feel confusion. समझे? तो one method only let us follow, because जो सलोनी ने बताया फॉर्मूला, उसमें A square is taken as 36 and B square value is 4 here. So exactly opposite the things are being used. ठीक है, तो follow one formula, otherwise you will feel confused. तो इसलिए हम इसको skip करते हैं, otherwise 36 minus 4 करने से आएगा. चलो 36 minus 4 मान लेते हैं सलोनी की बात. How much it is, Saloni? Saloni, how much it is?
4 root 2.
4 root 2. Then
Yes.
foci coordinates will be how much? Bolo?
Sir, E equals to C upon A of 4 root 2 upon 6.
E equals to C upon
A.
A. So this will be in our case 4 root 2 upon 6. Is this?
Yes, sir. 2 root 2 upon 3.
3. Then foci coordinates will be? Bolo. Foci coordinates will be 0 comma C. Is this?
Yes, sir. 0 comma plus minus 4 root 2.
0 comma plus minus 4 root 2. है ना, plus minus of course. ठीक है. So that much only I think they were asking. So this question, first step was almost same work it is there, but first step was to divide by 144 and to make the right hand side 1, so that this comes in our standard form. And we used one same formula for second case, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Please follow one notation only, because otherwise you will feel confused. So please solve the questions up to 9th. They are similar. 10th and onwards, opposite work is there. Means they have given some information about the ellipse. We have to first determine that which case is this by looking at the coordinates of vertices. Suppose the coordinates of vertices are plus minus 5 comma 0. It means first case it is. The coordinates of vertices are 0 comma plus minus 5 means second case, y-axis, second case it is. So after deciding that which case it is, we have to compare with the respective formula of that case, and we have to get the value of a and b. And once the value of a and b is ready, then equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So this work we have to do in the next questions, question 10th and onwards. So that we will take in the next class. Thank you and bye-bye. And you can ask any doubt if you have.
Thank you, sir.